The weather is nice today. Something came to the mail. I don't know what it is. Let's see what it is. What? Santa Claus came in for my birthday. Yeah. The iPhone 11 Pro Max. I love you, Apple. I love you. All eyes on me. Yeah. Wow. Smell it, boy. Smell it. Smells like a Legend of Zelda game when I was 10 years old. Very nice paradise. Yeah, boy. And it's good that I got a case for it. Yeah, boy. Midnight green. Oh, I love it. Yeah. It feels so good to hold it. You put it on the table and leave it for hours, right? You know what I'm saying? USB-C. It did a USB-C now. It's USB-C to lighting cable for the iPhone thing. I've heard that you put the iPhone next to your new iPhone and everything syncs up to the new iPhone.